This story is brought to you by Central North Island Video Services for Vids for Biz, events, white weddings and your story videography. Andrew White speaking. The Greenlea Rescue Helicopter Family Open Day, held at Taupo Airport in March 2017, is a fun annual family event.
Point them. Oh, dear one. Everyone hold on with a chance of being over. Hit some rough water. Here we go. Water. Oh no. My shot's bouncing. Help, help. Come and see you. Quick, there's a rescue over there. Over that way, quick, over there. Somebody's dying! Right, hold on, there's some rough water coming. You ready? Ready, do this then. 1, 2, 3, go! And make sure you wave. Okay, really lovely nature today.
You want to give him a cuddle?
Like a cuddle like this.
What's over there?
You gonna grab a balloon?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did? Good.
Boys and girls, mums and dads, 1, 2, 3!
Nat Every, one of the pilots of the Greenlea Rescue Helicopter. Joyce, I would love to be a helicopter pilot, a rescue helicopter. How did you get to live that dream, buddy?
Oh, I'm not sure. I think my parents must have dropped me on my head as a baby, and I thought it was a good idea. No, we're very lucky. It's a great job, and it's
I bet it is.
wonderful
Must be
piece of machine.
fantastic. Do you feel good about what you do?
Oh, look, I mean, I think a lot of people in the industry that I work in are pretty pleased about, it's a feel-good industry. Look, in some respects it's a feel-good industry. Obviously, you're dealing with some particularly sick people, but at least you go home at the end of the day and feel like you've done your very best to help people out.
And you've helped people. That's the thing, isn't it? And that's what this helicopter does.
You certainly do your best, and this helicopter is here to do exactly that, to help people in their time of need.
You transport people from Taupo Hospital to Waikato Hospital, you pick people up from car accidents, you take them to where they need to be in the fastest possible time.
That's the idea of the helicopter. When people need us, we can get the paramedic or the facilities to them as quickly as possible, and then take them from their position and save them, rescue them, save them. It's not Superman, is it? Well, we can help find them.
Mind you, this jumpsuit you got on is.
I've got my undies underneath. We'll probably keep them there, I think.
Yeah, good. tell me, this open day, it's been happening a few years now, and what a fabulous event, what a family time, it's great.
Look, there's a lot of people here today. It is a fabulous event. We do it once a year. So often the community see us fly past, they support us so heavily, and today's the day where they can come in, they can meet us, they can see the helicopter and sit in it, and just get a bit closer and see what it's all about.
It's amazing, you've got the Coast Guard, the police, and so many shows and displays going on, and everybody does a fantastic job for the community involved in the rescue services.
They certainly do, and we're very, very lucky to have support of all these other entities here with us today. Like you say, the Coast Guard, the fire, the ambulance, the Landsat, the police, the list goes on. They're all here to help us out today and make this a wonderful day for the community.
It's just a plug for the accountants. You can't do it without money, can you?
No, that's exactly right, and we are heavily reliant on our local community, as I say, and our sponsors, all listed on the tail of the helicopter there, and without them we are not in a position to do the job we do. So yes, it's a feel-good job, but we're so heavily reliant.
Greenlea does a great job, the major sponsor.
They are our major sponsor. They're a wonderful organisation, meatworks situated in Hamilton and Morrinsville, and active throughout the whole Central North Island region, so we're right there in the midst of what they do.
Nat, thank you very much for the day, mate. We really appreciate it. The kids are loving it. Everybody's enjoying the day at the Greenlea Rescue Helicopter in Taupo. Open day today.
This story is brought to you by Central North Island Video Services for Vids for Biz, events, white weddings and your story videography. Andrew White speaking.